Potkoek is a private nature reserve on top of the Piketberg above the small town of Aurora. On a clear day you can see to the north as far as Dwarskersbos, and to the south Langebaan, and even further you have the vista of Table Mountain. We are situated at 900 meters above sea level, overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. The sun-felt environment below us is such a dry environment, contrasting what we're experiencing up on the mountain here at Potkoek. Because we live on the mountain, we can experience sunshine, mist, rain, everything in one day.
It's a rare kind of privacy that you get up here at Potkoek. It's a feeling of being on top of the world. You almost feel cut off from the rest of the world. It's a fynbos wonderland.
We have a vast diversity of fauna and flora that is unique to this mountain and this area. We have 4 of the fynbos endemic bird species that calls Potkoek home, and we see them on a regular basis. One of the 4 fynbos endemic bird species that call Potkoek home is the Protea canary, also known as the Protea seed eater. Potkoek is truly a place where nature speaks louder than words.
This mountain has always been a unique destination. I've been coming here with my family for nearly 17 years, and it's always been special. The views have been incredible, but it goes beyond views now that Rian and Susan have added an entire new experience here. The trails, the accommodation, everything else just has made it an unbelievable place to visit.
What is cycling to me? Cycling is the best way to forget about all your problems in life. Experiencing nature to its fullest. In 2019, I was busy training for the Cape Epic and realized I need to add more technical training and riding to my training regime. And that is where the idea came from to start building trails at Potkoek. I then spoke to my friend Bram Louw, who is an excellent trail designer, and the planning process has started. The easy part is to do the planning on Google Earth, and then his hard work started by the actual marking of the trails in the field. The next step was to get my friend Corey Muller in with his team of 6 amazing guys from Stellenbosch, and actually they started the hard part of actually crafting and cutting the trails through the Cederberg Mountains. Once construction is completed, that's where trail maintenance kicks in. And that's where my right-hand man, Tom, starts playing his part in the trail maintenance. In the past 5 years, we have built 25 kilometers of trails at Potkoek, and the newest addition to our trail network is called Wake Up. We're sitting here on the edge, looking down at Wake Up. Wake Up, it's a wake-up call. It's a nice place to wake up. You need to be wake up when you ride down here. You need to be wake up to make sure you breathe a lot when you climb it out. But the challenge was not just to build it. It's easy to build it downhill and do it in a responsible manner, but we had to also do it so we can ride it down and up. So the design is we ride down, do a loop at the bottom, and then ride back. And that's where the challenge is, to be able to ride it back. And it is rideable, it is actually.
This looks incredible! This is my first time seeing the Wake Up Trail. I can't wait to ride it, so excited. Not sure what to expect at the bottom, but yeah, and it looks like a climb back up. So. That was gnarly, did not expect that, but it was awesome. And yeah, just when you think you can't take more, it just gives and gives and gives. Awesome trail.
Yo, that was an amazing descent. Every turn just was a new view, and then all the way down I was just thinking, I know I have to come back up this thing, and watching the others actually being able to ride it was incredible. I'll have to keep practicing.
Potkoek is a place where you can explore and soak up the raw, untouched nature, and then go relax at the comfort of Potkoek. Let me tell you, Amy and Susanne make an incredible team in the kitchen. The food, the dishes, hearty, wholesome, so good.
After a day playing and exploring in nature, one can simply return to Potkoek and be treated to some of the heartiest dining the Cape has to offer.
All the meals that we serve at Potkoek to our guests are prepared in the Potkoek kitchen. We also try and use produce from our own vegetable garden as far as possible when in season.
You will find a different kind of luxury here. There is so much attention to detail. It's understated, it's authentic. And it's amazing to think that this place is only 2.5 hours from Cape Town. All you need to do is arrive.
Rian and Susan have shaped this farm into their paradise, and what makes them happiest is sharing it.